Hi everyone and welcome to Owen's kitchen. Today I'm going to make a Sri Lankan style creamy chicken curry with potatoes. There are many different types and variations of chicken curries in Sri Lanka. This mild curry lovely spices with coconut milk. For this recipe, I'm going to use chicken thighs with bone, but you could use any part of the chicken you like. Here I got 800 grams of chicken thighs. I'm going to marinate this. Some salt and black pepper and 1 teaspoon of mild curry powder, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, and mixed everything. Chicken thighs are brilliant for this curry because it's tastier, more moist, and also cheaper. Now I'm going to put this in the fridge. These ingredients into the food processor. 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. And a cinnamon stick, 4 cardamom, and 4 cloves, fresh coriander, 6 tablespoons of fresh coconut. If you wanted, you could make this without fresh coconut. In here, ground spices, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and 1 teaspoon of hot curry powder. And 1 chili. Remove all the seeds, or you can add any amount of chilies. Now ready to make spicy paste. First, I'm going to fry this about 1 minute. Then coconut about 3 to 4 minutes. Now cinnamon and cloves and cardamom. Just mixed everything. Now this is done. I'm going to turn off the heat. I need 2 medium onion finely chopped. Chopped 3 tomatoes, 4 cloves of garlic, and about 1 inch of ginger finely crushed, and potatoes peeled and washed, 1½ cup chicken stock, and thick coconut milk. Now everything into the food processor. Coconuts, ground spices, chili, fresh coriander, some salt, and I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of chicken stock, or you can add some water. More chicken stock, about 3 tablespoons. Now it's ready. Today I'm going to use electric cooker. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. First ginger garlic. Just fry these about 30 seconds. Now I'm going to add onions. Stir and fry them till they soften. This will take about 3 to 4 minutes. Now I'm going to add a spicy paste. Fry this about 1 minute. And about a teaspoon of curry powder and a little bit of turmeric. Then chicken. Mix everything and make sure that the chicken pieces are coated with the spices. Let it cook for a couple of minutes. Then tomatoes. Give a good stir. Put the lid on, cook for a few minutes. Stir them around for a bit. Now I am going to add potatoes, then chicken stock. Now bring to the boil and let it cook for 30 to 40 minutes or until it's done. Give it a stir every 5 to 10 minutes. This is 20 minutes later. Lower the heat down, let it simmer for 10 to 12 minutes until fully cooked. I'm going to put the lid on. Now I am going to add coconut milk. This gives thickness and richness to the curry. Give a good stir and let it cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. I am going to check the potato. It's completely done. Just taste the sauce to make sure everything right. Little bit of salt. This is to your personal taste. Stir them around for a bit. And now curry is completely done. Put the lid on. Now turn off the heat. Now ready to serve. The best part of the video is to taste it. Let's see.
Chief Little Hawk.
Okay.
Vad är favoritkväll?
It's delicious.
Don't forget to click the subscribe button and bell icon. You will be notified when I upload a new recipe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.